everyone, welcome back to our website. Today I will be showing you how to build the gang sheet through our website, and on our next video I'll show you a new feature that we added as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach us at our support team. Our information is at the bottom of the website, so if you scroll down you can see that all the information is here. Moving forward, if you go to where it says DTF gang sheet, selecting there, if you select where it says build your gang sheet, you will see that here we have our sizes anywhere between 22 by 12 up to 22 by 180, and all of our prices are included as well when you select each size. Today I will be doing a 22 by 36 gang sheet, something small. Once it has been highlighted on the size that you need, go ahead and select manual build your DTF transfer gang sheet. And then once you select it here, this is going to redirect you to a different page. Right here is just kind of uploading. Please make sure that your files are in a PNG format. They do have a transparent background, and the resolution is at least 300 in DPI, just to have the best quality for your transfers. If you have any questions about that, again, feel free to reach out to us, and then we'll get back with you as quick as possible. If you have an account with us, go ahead and sign in, and if not, you can just exit this out. Here is your graph. You're always going to have a graph that's 22 inches for your width, and as you can see here, this is your height. Here it says 36 inches. Here's where you will upload your files. When you select upload your files, you'll just have access to your library or the files that you want to add to your graph. Today I'm just going to add about 6 images, so I'll just go ahead and select my files, and then I'll just go ahead and upload. And then while I'm doing that, just to let you guys know, we do say that our standard size for about shirts for an adult is anywhere between 10 by 10 and 11 by 11. Just some additional information. I would definitely say you can always Google that information. It's probably going to be the best thing. YouTube and Google are my best friends for any type of questions that I have, for sure. And let's select this image, and let's just get one more image in here so you guys can kind of get an idea how building a gang sheet works step by step. I do have my files in a transparent background, but if you don't, we do have the option to remove that the white background from your file. So if you see here where it says remove all white, if you had like a white square around this image, then that's how you'll know that you have a white background for your image. Removing all white will remove that background, and then you'll have design that kind of looks like mine, just the design itself. So as you can see here, the size for this image is 12.7 by 18.33, and you can also see that here in the dimensions. You have two options to change the sizing on this. You can drag it manually, or if you go where it says dimensions and you select change, here on the width and the height, make sure that you do unlock it so that every time that you type in a number, it doesn't change it. So if you select here and see where it says the width, I'll go ahead and I apologize. I'll go ahead and add that as 10, and my height I will add it as a 10 by 10. So I'll go ahead and change that, and as you can see, it changes the size of the image. So moving forward, you can just go ahead and drag that here. If you want to duplicate your image, you can. You have the option up here where it says duplicate, so it'll duplicate the same image in the same size, and then you can just drag it. We have the option to autofill. Autofill will automatically add however many designs you need. Here you can only possibly fit like six to 8 designs, so I'll just go ahead and add like let's say 4, and then we'll go ahead and duplicate that. And then as you can see, it duplicates all the images for you, same size if needed. If you don't need this feature, you could just go ahead and remove each image so I can show you how to upload your other designs and files onto the sheet. Here you can select where it says graphics. So this is where your images will be. So as you can see here, I only have one image of the teacher. I'll go ahead and select mom mode, and then I'll add that on our graph. When it highlights orange, that means that the design is overlapping the other design. You can always verify by zooming in on your graph and to make sure that you have any room to play with, and then you can just change the size to this one. I'll go ahead and change this one to 11 by 11. Again, make sure that you do unlock it so that it doesn't just have like a set dimension for you, because it can once it's been locked. So if you see here, it has changed my graph. I'm sorry, it has changed my design to 11 by 11, and I will go ahead and zoom out of my graph. And I will go ahead and just move this a little lower. Zooming out, you can see more. And then I'll just go ahead and add another design. And then I'll add another design, and you can test this one out 12 by 12. Change that, and then you can just add this to your graph down here as well. And then you can kind of lower this down till you can have a little bit of room to cut and mess with. I'll go ahead and add the last 3 images, and I'll just do these again 10 by 10. Make sure you do unlock it, 10 by 10, and then change it. And then you'll just drag it on here. Another easy way to position it, or to make sure that is all the way to our corners, you can just select position, and if you select top, it'll drag it to the top, and you can select right, it kind of just moves it over to the right so they can align perfect to the page. And then here you can just go back to graphics and then just add your images. If you scroll down here, you have your other image, and please feel free to rotate so you can kind of rearrange and just kind of just move it around just so you can see what works better for you. I will have this one at 16 is a little too wide, so we'll just make this a little shorter. 9 by 12 sounds cool, and I'll just add that to my graph. And my last image, once I have added my last image, I'm actually going to move this one like a 10 by 10, change this, unlock, 10 by 10, and then you can change your size, and your design has been added to your graph. Here you can just move this one over and this one a little bit over to your right. So as you can see here, your graph is done and complete. So once you have done that part, your gang sheet is built. This is a 22 by 36, and you can upload up to 6 designs. Just depending on the size, you can possibly upload a few, like maybe like 2 more. Once you have done this, you can just confirm your images. Confirming your images, you can just see here, you can have a little preview of your graph. Again, go ahead and confirm your design, and then we'll just add our email. And once you have added your design and your email, go ahead and confirm your design again, and that will redirect you onto the cart. So here you have your gang sheet, and you have the option to edit, to go back to fix anything. And if you're done, you can just select checkout. We have the general checkout. We have Shop Pay available, Apple Pay, PayPal, and through Google. I'm just gonna select checkout here. Again, we have the option to ship and to pick up in store. Just add your information, your billing information, your payment method, and once you have done so, just go ahead and select pay now, and then you're all set, you're good to go. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Again, that's at the bottom of our website. So if you go home, or if you select the little handprints, you can see there, and then our contact information is at the bottom of our screen. Thank you for watching.